Which one? HP fire. Okay, so there's a mail truck down there. Right, okay, there's garbage cans right by the mail truck. If you don't see, my brother is in that garbage can with the air horn. Oh, their mailman is right down there by that house.
He's coming back. Nathan's gotta get down.
Okay, so it's pretty funny.
Nathan's gonna stay down.
I hope he doesn't get in trouble, because then I'd be in trouble.
And then I'd have to leave.
You hear that baby? That's my dog.
No. I heard a baby. It was like, wah!
Yeah, that's the dog, I swear.
Oh, you have a weird sounding dog. Where's that bitch at?
Oh, there he is! Wait. He's at that blue house with the chimney. Oh. That big chimney. He's right down.
Nathan's down. Here, get back over here.
You know how smelly he's gonna be? Here.
I'm so. Oh, you. Can you see? Yep. Dude, he's gonna scare the shiz out of him. Have you scared him before?
I think so. Where's the snake up there still?
Yeah, dude, that chick's talking to me. What?
Where? Oh, he's under that flag. Have you seen him?
He's looking at me, just peeping out. Oh, here he comes, Get out. Where is he? He's over behind the tree. Okay, now he's walking. Get down.
I got it.
Get down.
He can't see me. He's right there, guys. You see him. He's under that flag. Walk into the house.
Give me my package.
Okay, there he is. This is not planned. I know the guy, but this is not planned.
Well, Nathan planned it, but this guy doesn't know what's going on.
Oh, God. That cool. You're going. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I'm the best.
We have a winner.